Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you for calling me the refund department, sir. My name is David Bryan. How may I assist you?
I paid last week. Last week I paid for the securities, $800.
Okay. Sir, we are calling from the ultimate department, okay?
Uh-huh.
Do you remember that, sir? You paid us $349.99 for your computer services from a
Yes.
couple years ago, and we are providing you the anti-hacking tools and antivirus on your computer.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Right. So the reason today we inform you that, sir, because our company is going to shut it down, and we are not providing you the service anymore. So that is the
All right.
reason today we are giving you this call and inform you that because you are in a warranty period. Okay.
All right.
So first of all, sir, just take your time and grab hold a piece of paper and a pen. So I will provide you your refund ID number. Okay.
Give me 1 second.
Okay. And at the same time, sir, be sit in front of your computer.
All right. Now?
Now, are you still handy? Are you handy with your pen and paper, sir?
Uh-huh. Yes.
All right. So now, first of all, write it down. My name. My name is David Bryan. The first name is David, and the last name is Bryan. Brian. Bryan.
All right.
Okay. And write it down your refund amount as well.
Uh-huh.
$349.99. Okay.
Yes.
And write it down your refund ID number. Your refund ID number is number 0. Number 0 once again. And after that letter CC as in Charlie. Number 0 once again. Number 4. Letter F as in father.
Uh-huh.
Letter D as in doctor.
Yes.
Number 7. Letter D as in doctor once again.
Uh-huh.
Letter O as in Oscar.
Uh-huh.
Number 6. And
Yes.
number 2. This is your refund ID number, sir. Okay?
All right.
Can you read it back to me, sir? What is your refund ID number?
All right. Now? All right.
Yep.
So what
Read it
should I do?
back to me.
Give me 1 second.
Can you hear me? Okay. Take your time.
All right. So what should I do?
First of all, you just read me out your refund ID number.
Yeah, I did the same thing. Yeah, Windows and R, right? I have done that.
Sorry, can you come again?
Now I can see a small box on my left bottom.
No, sir. Don't do anything, sir. Look down your computer screen first of all. You can see any Supremo icon over there. The blue color icon, which is name is Supremo.
Yes.
SUP. Right. Just double click on that one, sir.
Something came up. I explore space www.firstsupport.com. I have to type that?
No, sir. You look down your computer screen, sir. Okay.
Yes.
You can see any Supremo icon over there, the blue color icon, which is name is Supremo. You can see that?
Yes.
Double click on that one, the Supremo icon.
All right. It says notepad.
Sorry, can you come again?
It says notepad.
Just do one thing. Close down whole thing, sir. Close down whole thing and get back to your regular icons. Okay?
I paid last week. Last week I paid for the securities, $800.
But sir, we are not calling you that company, alright? We are calling from Ultimate Solution. And this is a refund call, not a sales call and not a telemarket call.
You are
so
the
don't
same
need
company?
to worry, sir. You are talking to technician, not a salesman, okay?
All right.
Right, sir. So do I believe you are using a Linux or Mac or Windows? Which one, sir? Can you just confirm me?
Yes.
Which computer you are using, sir? Linux, Mac or Windows?
Give me 1 second. Yeah, I
You don't
did
know,
the
sir,
same
which
thing. Yeah, Windows and R, right? I've done that.
Right. And after that, you can see the small boxes came up.
Now I can see a small box on my left bottom.
Right, sir, right. The run box, is that correct?
Yes.
Right. Now just do one thing, erase that whole thing and make that panel empty.
It
Okay?
says notepad.
Erase that and make that panel blank, empty.
All right.
And
All
type
right.
it over there,
Now?
www dot S as in sugar, letter S,
Yes.
U as in uniform, letter U, P as in Peter, letter P,
R
R as in Roger, letter R,
Yes.
E as in England, letter E,
Yes.
M as in Mary, letter M,
Uh-huh.
O as in orange, letter O,
Uh-huh.
F as in father, letter F,
Yes.
R as in Roger, letter R,
Uh-huh.
E as in England, letter E, E as in England once again, letter
Yes.
E. And after
Something
that,
came up.
.com.
I explore space www.firstsupport.com. I have to type that?
Not, sir. Supremo. Type it over there, Supremo. First, erase that whole thing and make that panel clean, empty. First,
Alright.
make that panel empty, blank. Erase that. Whatever, type it over there. Just do one thing, erase that.
Alright. Now?
Now it's empty right now.
It says notepad.
Just erase that. Erase that notepad and make that panel empty first.
Alright. Now?
Now, what do you see? Just read me out. You can see the box is empty right now. Now type it over there, www dot, 3 times W, and after that give dot.
Who is this?
Okay. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me, sir, clearly?
Yes.
All right. Now type it over there, W as in Windows. W as in Windows once again.
Hello?
W as in Windows. Hello, can you hear me?
You know Boogeyman? Oh, ha 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 ha. So funny.